Hi there! Ready to explore? Elena and her friends jumped into puddles. Water splashed up around them. Their laughter filled the air. Each jump sent sparkles flying. Raindrops fell like tiny dancers. They twirled on green leaves and bright flowers. The world glistened with their joyful rhythm. Nature joined in the fun. Elena giggled as rain tickled her nose. Each drop felt like a little kiss. Her cheeks glowed with delight. The rain sang a happy song. Elena and her friends twirled under a polka dot umbrella. They spun around, giggling with glee. The colors danced in the rain. Joy swirled like the raindrops. They paused to listen to the rain's soft patter. It tapped gently on the ground. Each drop made a sweet sound. The music of the rain was magic. A fresh smell of wet earth filled the air. It was a smell of spring. The ground felt cool and damp. Nature's perfume made them smile. Elena watched the clouds above. They changed shape like fluffy animals. Some looked like bunnies, others like dragons. The sky was a canvas of wonder. They discovered tiny frogs hopping around. The frogs leaped with little pops. Each hop made them laugh with excitement. The world was a treasure hunt. Elena shared her favorite rain stories. Her friends listened with bright eyes. Each story sparkled with fun. The rain was a special adventure. See you soon.
Thank you very much.